Hey everybody, this is day 64 or dose 64, day 32, and I'm right there at that 200 plateau. Cheated a little bit, and I got kind of plateaued out or stalled out, but I'm back on track. I had that Wendy's chili yesterday, which I'm going to get again because it was really good. And I had a couple little pieces of some turkey breast slices, and that's what I had yesterday. So for today, I haven't eaten anything, and I'm going to go to Wendy's tonight before I go to work. I'm going to get me a Wendy's chili with no crackers or cheese or anything in it, and I'm going to eat that, and then I expect to break the 200 tomorrow morning. I'm pretty close now, but anyway, kind of was going up and down. It's just water. I know I'm getting smaller, so but it's just nice to see the numbers on the scale, you know. So I want to see that 199, 198. So I'll be there tomorrow for sure. I'm not going to cheat at all. I've got about 12 days left, and I want to get the most out of this 12 days. It's going to be a little bit of a struggle, but I'm going to do it. So I'm going to take dose 64 now. And we will. I'm gonna go to Wendy's and go to work. So, yep. Still have a ton of energy. Feel a hell of a lot better. Getting rid of all this extra baggage carrying around. So. Oh, there it is. Dose 64. All right, I will see you guys in the morning with dose 65. Will be day 33. So I will see you then.